Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we've got something really exciting on the bench: the xTool M110W laser engraver and vinyl cutter.
Now, this machine isn't your ordinary laser engraver or vinyl cutter. Oh no, it's a combination of both.
Imagine having the power to engrave stainless steel one moment and cutting through vinyl with precision the next.
That's the promise of the xTool M1.
Sporting a sprightly 80mm per second blade cutting speed and a 250mm per second laser engraving speed, the xTool M1 is a versatile beast. But does it live up to the hype?
Let's find out. First off, let's talk about design.
The xTool M1 comes in a compact package, making it suitable for home offices or garages. It's fully enclosed with an exhaust port for a smoke purifier, ensuring a clean workspace. Setting up the M1 is a breeze, thanks to the detailed user manuals included in the box.
Plus, xTool throws in a premium material bundle, giving you a taste of what this machine can do right out of the gate. Now, let's talk software.
The xTool Creative Space is intuitive and beginner-friendly, offering pre-generated projects and a variety of tools to bring your ideas to life.
Smart fill, anyone?
It's a game-changer. But enough talk, let's see this baby in action. The blade cutter on the xTool M1 slices through vinyl, PU leather, sticker paper, you name it.
With the light grip mat, your materials stay put during the cutting process.
And when it comes to laser engraving, the xTool M1 doesn't disappoint.
From wood to metal, this machine handles it all with precision and finesse. Plus, the optional smoke purifier ensures a clean working environment. Now, let's talk accessories. While the basic bundle gets you started,
you'll want to consider investing in extras like the rotary engraver for cylindrical objects or the air assist for cleaner cuts. So, what's the bottom line? The xTool M1 is a jack of all trades, a master of some.
While it may not top the list of best laser cutters and engravers,
it's certainly worth considering if you're in the market for a versatile machine that can handle both blade cutting and laser engraving. That's all for today, folks.
If you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, happy making!